Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a live WordPress site, a Google account, and Adsense access. Once you've applied to Adsense and completed identity verification, make sure payments and tax details are entered. Now jump into WordPress. Install a backup plugin and a lightweight caching tool so ads don't slow pages. Then enable pretty permalinks and confirm HTTPS. Adsense prefers secure sites. After that, open your Adsense dashboard and prepare to create your first ad unit. Once in Adsense, create responsive ad units and give each a descriptive name so you can track performance later. Copy the ad code snippet, then return to WordPress and use a child theme or the theme's custom HTML widget so updates don't erase changes. If you use a site builder, use its custom code block. Place ads in header, sidebar, or before / after content while avoiding pop-ups that violate policy. Make sure ads remain responsive by testing on mobile and desktop. You finish by verifying the AdSense code is present on your site and then wait 24 to 48 hours for Google to review and start serving ads. If ads don't appear, check the browser console for script errors and confirm there are no policy violations listed in your AdSense account. Make sure caching plugins are cleared and disable any ad blocking or conflicting plugins. If necessary, reinsert the snippet in a different widget area or use a plugin designed for AdSense integration to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.